Yeah, as you could see, the blue and the red gears are shaping two separated gearbox, which is actually connected together with the golden gears. So, what is the point? The red one and the blue one has the same gear ratio of 729 to 1, which actually I created in my previous project, which you can find the link to the project through the caption. So write down what is the point and what is the rule of the golden gear, which is actually connected these two gearbox together, and is it reversing the power or reversing the transmitter power? So let's just talk about it in the comments.